Hello there, I'm James Berry from Torn Apart by Lisa. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to connect your mixing desk, this one's mine, into your phone and get a sound out of it. These are great for doing videos if you're wanting to improve your audio quality a little bit more. Awesome for live streams as well, even if you're wanting to add like effects like reverb and stuff like that. I don't have that on my mixing desk, but if you've got on your mixing desk you can do it. It just gives you a lot more of an accurate mix if you're wanting to do a quick video, showcase some of your songs. You're going to get a lot better quality from the mixing desk than what you are just from the phone mics. So let's get started. So there's two things you'll need. If you're musicians, I'm going to assume that you've already got yourself a mixing desk, you've already got yourself a guitar or whatever instrument you use, and you've already got yourself a microphone. The extra things that you're going to need in order to attach the sound from the mixing desk to the phone, two very simple and very cheap cables. First one being this here, which is just a simple phono cable. You've got a white and a red, which is the left and the right, and you've got this, which is the aux cable. Most people have them, you probably already do have them, but if not, this is important because what this needs to do is you're sending the signal of your guitar and your mic into the desk. So you need to get the signal, and because you're not having any speakers, you need to put these in the aux out. So this phono cable goes in the aux out because you're sending the signal from the microphone into the mixing desk. It's processing and it needs to go somewhere, and it usually goes into the aux out, so you plug them into there. Now the problem you'll face is with the end of this. So what this will do is if you plug this into your phone, you will not get any sound out of it. Your phone will not understand what you're trying to do. So you need to tell your phone what you're trying to do, and to do that you need one of these cables. Again, dead cheap. And this is an audio splitter. And what this does, this tells the phone that you're trying to put sounds into it rather than get sounds out of it. This activator, this makes it think you're plugging in a headphone when really you're plugging in an audio device. So what this does is this third ring here. So you need to get an audio splitter, and it needs to have 3 rings here. And this just tells your phone that you're trying to plug something into it. Now you'll get an audio splitter like this, and they should all have, I can't really show you on here because it's quite, you'll not be able to see on the camera, but there's a picture of a headphone and there's a picture of a microphone. This needs to go into the microphone. So you've got that. Now that's your connector. You can connect that to your phone. Obviously the next step, for this tutorial I've only got the mic. For this next step, obviously you need to put your mic in there. You need to turn it on, if it'll turn on. And I'm going to plug this in now and I'm going to see if we can get a sound out of it. Right, so all I've done is I've just plugged this mixing desk. I've got the phono cable coming out, and I've put the phono cable, I've connected it to the audio splitter, and I've put that into the headphone jack. I know some phones don't have headphone jacks. I think you can buy adapters. Get the adapter. It should recognise. I'm not sure. I'm using a Google Pixel 4a. I always like having the headphone jack for this simple reason. So now you should be hearing everything that's coming out from this microphone. So if I were to turn this completely down, but now you can turn it up, and what's great about these is you get so much more control over your sound. So if you really wanted to, you can turn the bass
all the way up. Luke, I am your father. There we go. So yeah, it's dead simple. The bigger your mixing desk, the more you can plug in. It's a great little tool to use. Just get that little bit extra sound, and it certainly saves you going onto the laptop and recording this separately and trying to match it up. It just gets things done quicker, doesn't it? Anyway, that's my video. Thank you very much for watching. If you've learned something today, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to build it from the bottom up. I don't have many subscribers yet. Hopefully you see some value in it. I mainly post my own cover songs, original songs, but every now and then I do these little tutorial videos. It's worth sticking around for. Thank you very much. Take care. Have a good day. Thank you.